guys, it's Jack and welcome back to my channel. So we have a beauty video for you guys that is not Halloween related. You're probably thinking, Jackie, what is up? I thought you were gonna be on it with these Halloween tutorials. Well, let me just direct you to my most recent vlog. You should definitely check out that vlog for an update on why there are no more Halloween tutorials and why I'm moving back to beauty videos. So I won't waste your time explaining it here. Just go watch that vlog if you're interested. But I recently got a palette in the mail that I am really excited about. This is now my second palette from the brand Karity. This is the Picante palette. And just look at these beautiful colors. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love the warm tones. I love purples. So I'm really excited to play around with this. Here's the little card that it comes with. I wish there was a mirror. Side note, I wish there was a mirror in here, but it says, spice up your life. We've hand selected 21 perfectly pigmented shades in multiple finishes that are warm as a summer's night, which is weird because we're in fall. Packed with hot fiery shades, sure to create endless looks, perfect for day to night. This retails for $19.99 at Karity.com. It's a cruelty-free brand, in case you are wondering. Cruelty-free, yay! And then they also sent over two brushes. This is the E31 and then the E27. So we'll play around with these as well. The other palette that I got from Karity a while ago was like an all pink, I think it was called Rosé All Day palette, and those are very like all like just pink tones, which I never wear, so it was a little challenging for me to come up with a look. But this I can see myself wearing like on the daily, so pretty stoked about that. So I guess without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump on into the video. Of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, so that way you are part of the little flower family. Why are these bracelets covering up my little flower tattoo? Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my uploads, and I think that's it. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Do you guys want to be zoomed in? I feel like that would probably be helpful, so let's zoom you in. Alrighty, so now we are all up close and personal. So I have the Karity Pre-Shadow. This is the long-lasting Anti-Crease Primer. They sent this over with the first palette that they sent me. So we're gonna apply this base onto our eyelids. It's a pretty watery base, but there's no color to it, so it's going to be fine on any skin tone. Just gonna use my finger to blend that in all over my lid, and also I like to go underneath as well with like whatever's left over on my finger, because we do apply eyeshadow underneath as well. And whenever you use an eyeshadow primer, you want to be sure to set it with a powder, so that way it kind of like smooths out the skin, and whatever eyeshadow you place on top, it's not going to skip or drag as you're blending it. It's just going to glide across your eyelid so much better. So I'm taking the Nyx Hd Finishing Powder. I'm almost done with this guy. I'm just going to pick this up on a really dense, big brush like this. What the heck? What the heck is that little fuzzy? I'm just going to pack this onto my eye and underneath. So I haven't really decided what kind of eyeshadow look I want to do yet. Obviously it's going to be warm tone, but I haven't really decided. Do I want to go more purple? Do I want to go more orange, red, or a little bit of all of them? I don't know. I do not know. Okay, let's see. Let's start with this shade Pimento. This color right here. I'm gonna take that on this fluffy blending brush. We're gonna blend this into Decrease. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's pretty. This will be our transition color. Ooh, already I'm kind of like, I'm feeling like sunset eyes now. I think that's what we're gonna go for. Kind of like a sunset eye look. So just like the last Karity eyeshadow palette that I tried out, I feel like the colors are very pigmented and they blend really, really nicely. So now that we have that blended in the crease, I want to deepen up the crease, not go as high, but just like this like crease area just right here. And I was kind of eyeing, I'm stuck between two shades. This flamenco shade right here, and then this spicy shade. Let's go with this one. Flamenco. Flamenco. These names are very, very fun. I'm just gonna take the same brush, swirl that on. Oh my gosh. That looks very pigmented. Okay. Let's just put this right here on the crease. So pretty, so pretty. Already I'm loving it. Loving it already. Oh, look at that color. So since I don't want to take this color up too high, I'm just going right back and forth in the crease like this. I'm gonna grab another fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M200. I'm gonna take that pimento shade again, that first color. I'm gonna go right on top of that reddish color, flamenco, just to soften the edges. Ooh, that's looking so pretty. Ah, that looks really pretty. I like it. Now I was trying to decide if I wanted to stay all matte or if I wanted to incorporate some shimmer. I'm still not 100% sure. Okay, I think we're gonna do some shimmer. So I'm gonna start with this Fearless color right here on a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna put this on my inner corner. Ugh, that didn't really apply very well. Oh, there we go. There we go. Definitely applies best with your finger. Can they design a brush that is like the texture of your finger, but it's not your finger? Because my fingers are just too fat to be super precise. So I would love to have a brush that has kind of, that like can apply shadows, shimmery shadows for you. And if there is one out there already, please let me know because I need it. Let's go in, ooh, this color, Fuego. I'm gonna first try with the brush. Let's see if we have any luck. Nope, I mean, it applies, but like, not really. You definitely need to use your fingers with these shimmery colors. And sorry, I'm using my middle finger. I like it. So I want to do a purple on the outer part. Ugh, let me try a different brush because, okay, let's try this brush that they sent, the Karity brush. I'm gonna go in with Passion, this purple color over here. It is shimmery, but maybe it'll apply better with this brush. Let's find out. Nothing! There has to be a brush that I can use. I'm gonna try another brush, same color, Passion. I don't want to use my finger on this outer corner. Nothing! Fine. Here we go. Super pretty colors though. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. I'm bummed I don't have a brush that'll blend these shimmer colors onto my eyes. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, they're so, so pretty. Taking a little bit of that Fuego color, going right on top to help blend the two. There you go. Okay, so we have the eyeshadow on the top pretty much done, and I think it looks pretty cool. I want to incorporate more purple on the bottom, so going in with a little tiny shader brush, and I'm going to take this shade Epice. I thought it said epic, but there's an E at the end, so Epicy, Epice, I don't know. Why are these names hard? Brush it onto my lower lash line. Should have done my foundation first. Oh well. I've already committed, so we're just gonna keep going. This color is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Usually I like to try to put multiple colors onto the lower lash line, but I'm totally happy with just this one color. I'm gonna take a little bit of that Fearless color again, and then just use that as the brow bone highlight. See, it applies like a very little bit with the brush, but not like, you can't really pack the color on with a brush. which is fine for a brow bone highlight because I just want a little subtle shine here on my brow bone. See, very subtle. And then let's do the same onto the inner corner of the eye. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyeliner and lashes off camera, so I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. I'm back and here to finish up the face. Do you guys see this fallout on my cheek? Like, it looks so red right here. I've got a little bit of fallout. So moving on to the face, I'm going to take the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Primer. The foundation I'm using is pretty dewy, so that's why I like going with a matte primer. Help kind of like balance it out, because if I do a dewy primer with the dewy foundation, it just looks terrible on my skin. The foundation I'm using is also from Too Faced. This is the Do You Full Coverage Fresh Glow Foundation in Natural Beige. For concealer, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Natural Beige. For powder to set everything, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Setting Powder in Translucent. Zoe, why you keep barking? It's always when I film. It's always when I decide to film, that's when she gets super barky. I basically set everywhere I put the concealer. I don't really worry about the rest of my face, just the concealed areas. Moving on to bronzer, my favorite for the past almost like 2 months now has been the You're Dragging Me Down bronzer from Wet n Wild. This was from the Fire and Ice collection. I actually broke this, like the little screw part right here, so it's like barely hanging on. But this bronzer though is really nice. It just looks so nice on my skin tone. I can't get over it. What am I going to do once I run out with this bronzer? I'm going to savor this bronzer for as long as I can. I love it so much. And it was limited edition. Why? Why? Why do they always make the best products limited edition? Such a bummer. Now with blush, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Sugar Peach Wet to Dry Face and Eye Palette. I have been obsessed with this. It's all I've been using for the longest time now. Ever since I got this, this is the only blush palette I have been using. I did like that e.l.f. one that I got the other day, or like a few weeks ago. Really like that one, but this one is is golden. I love it. So this color right here is my favorite, and actually I use this whole palette. Sometimes I'll mix these two, or sometimes I'll mix these two, or sometimes I'll mix these two. So I'm always mixing, but I've used all of these and then this as a highlighter, so I just love it. But for today's look, I think I'm going to mix these two. It's so pigmented, you guys. And it's just so pretty. And then of course a little bit of blush on the tip of my nose. Now I'm going to take the highlight color in here and just highlight a little bit on my cheekbones. I feel like the blush already gave us such a highlighted look, so that's why I just go a tiny bit with this highlighter right here at the tops, nose, the bridge, Cupid's bow. Ta-da! So for my lip combo, I am going to start with the Collab Lip and Define Lip Contouring Pencil in See-Through. This is just a nude lip pencil. And then right on top, you guys are gonna be a little shocked by this. I'm gonna take the Too Faced lipstick in Doll Face, super light. And not typically my cup of tea, but you'll see what I'm gonna do. And on top of that, I'm taking the Too Faced Comfort Lip Glaze. This is from the Tutti Frutti collection. This is in Takes Two to Mango. So that is it for this makeup tutorial and this little hangout get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and whether you have this palette or colors that are similar, I hope you guys give this look a try. I think it is so pretty, and yes, summer has ended and we are now in fall, even though it still feels like summer here in San Diego, but technically we are in fall. I think these colors are just so pretty, and you can definitely transition them into fall. I just really wanted to do a sunset eye with this palette, but if you'd like to see another more like fall appropriate look with this palette, let me know in the comments below, because I can definitely do that for you guys. And I'm also thinking of uploading my everyday makeup routine, like my everyday makeup routine / no makeup look, the look that I've been wearing constantly every single day. It's been the same products, and it's just a very light, natural, subtle type of makeup look. So if you also want to see that, let me know, because I'm thinking of filming that this week. So, but of course I just want to film the videos that you guys want to see. So let me know, would you rather see, or both, no makeup look or a fall look with this palette? Anyways, I'm so excited to read your guys' comments. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Is there something in my eye? There is an eyelash. I got it, yes. I hope you give this a try. I hope you guys give this a try. Gosh, colors are, oh my gosh. Color right here. No. Wait.